How to buy go-kart online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open any web browser you want. Now on the search bar, you want to type gokart.translink.com.au and press enter. Now on this web page, you want to tap on Go Buy a Go-kart option. Once you tap on that option, you will have to finish 7 steps to buy a go-kart online. The first step is to select your go-kart. Tap on this drop-down menu and select if you want an adult cart, a child cart, a senior cart, or any of the other choices. I'm going to select adult cart. Then tap on the continue option. Here you will have to fill up your billing information. The first step is to enter your first name. Then enter your middle initial if you have one, then enter your last name. Now you need to enter your address type, select residential or postal, then enter your unit number. Now enter your street number, your street name, then enter your street type. After that, enter your suburb. Once you enter your suburb, your state and postcode will automatically be entered. Then you will have to enter your phone number. You can tap on the drop-down menu to choose between fax, home, mobile, or work. After that, enter your email address. Now set up your secret question and then enter your secret answer as well. Then tap on the continue button. Now for the third step, you can nominate an authorized user for the go-kart. This is the person who uses the go-kart to travel. So simply fill up all of these details. After entering the details just like you did before, you have to set up the website login. For that, enter your online password. Then you want to repeat the password. Now you want to select a secret question and then write down the secret answer as well. Now tap on the continue button. Now the fourth step is to sign up for subscriptions. If you want go-kart notifications, check this box. If you want customer research, product and service updates, or special offers, simply check all of these boxes. You can leave them unchecked as well if you don't want them. Then tap on the continue button. Now for the fifth step, you have to review your order. So this is going to be your estimated total. Now you simply want to scroll down and then tap on I have read and agreed the terms and conditions. Then tap on continue. Now here for the next step, you have to enter your payment method. So enter your card number here, then enter your expiry date and then the card holder's name. Then tap on the submit button, and after your payment has been accepted, you will successfully be able to buy go-kart online. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.